Caring for a crying baby can be overwhelming, especially when you are unsure of what to do. While each baby is different, there are several tricks you can try to instantly calm your little one. Babies often feel comforted by being wrapped in a snug blanket, as it mimics the cozy, confined feeling of the womb. Gently swaddle your baby to make them feel secure and calm. For many babies, sucking on a pacifier provides comfort and helps them self-soothe. It can also distract them from any discomfort they may be experiencing. This involves placing the baby's tummy on your forearm while supporting their head and neck. Gently rock them back and forth. This position can help ease gassy discomfort and calm a fussy baby. Gentle rocking or bouncing motions often remind babies of the rhythmic movements they felt while in the womb. Holding your baby in your arms or using a rocking chair can help comfort them. A warm bath can be very relaxing for babies. The soothing sensation of water combined with calming scents like lavender can help ease their discomfort. Hunger is one of the most common causes of crying. If your baby is old enough to feed, offer them breast milk or formula. Sometimes, even a small amount of feeding can calm a baby instantly. A gentle massage can soothe a fussy baby. Try massaging their back, legs, or arms with soft strokes to calm them and ease any tension. Sometimes babies cry due to trapped gas or discomfort. Colic drops can help balance gut bacteria and reduce colic symptoms. They often provide quick relief from gas and bloating. Milocone gas relief drops relieve the discomfort of baby gas, which is often caused by air swallowing or certain formulas. They contain no saccharine, alcohol, or artificial flavors and are gluten-free. White noise mimics the sounds babies heard in the womb and can be very soothing. Yoga Sleep Hush Portable White Noise Sound Machine is an ideal solution for improving sleep quality, reducing noise distractions, and creating a calming environment for babies. The device is designed to be safe for babies, providing a comforting sound environment without any harmful chemicals. With patience, care, and these soothing techniques, you will be able to calm your crying baby quickly and effectively.